What's good? We're back. I got my manifold done last night. It's going to farhans. He just got his car back yesterday. Oh my god, stoked for you, bro. He had a little mishap with his neighbor, but we'll forget about that. We're just chucking in on his exhaust. I think we're just helping with his dump pipe or something like that. So let's go. So coming to you live from under Fez's whip. What are we up to? Got his new Tomei dump pipe, but the just the bolts on the like factory SR20, they got like this bit of bolt where there's no thread. So we went to Bunnings, we got new spring washers, smaller bolts. We just got to get all these longer bolts out and just pull the exhaust back a little bit, slide these new bolts in, and we should be good to go. Here we got some, what are these? That's like yellow speed sport pro dynamic Ifalangi something. I don't really know, but they look pretty good, eh? Oh shit, here we go. Pretty decent under here. We got a, oh, we can see all your rust though. Just jokes. Okay, we're just gonna take that one more bolt out over there, and then we should be good to go. So let's get to that. So this is what happened to the previous one. Pretty gone. That's what we look like now. But it actually looks so clean without a plate, with the Sylvia plate. But ooh, maybe tuck the exhaust up, maybe like this much. That'd be perfect. But fuck, it's looking so nice. So, got some in it. Nah, we're good, we're good. Got something in my eyeball, but we're finished. We're finished, it's all done. All tight. Yeah, she's fucking in there. We're ready for a sound clip. We're chucking the wheel back on, and then we'll be ready to hear this thing rip. Because it pretty much was, what do we have? A muffler, eh? You had that HKS muffler, and then just like, it was pretty much a stock exhaust all the way to that muffler. Now we got the Tomei dump, and then 3-inch all the way through back to a 3-inch muffler. So this shit's gonna be sick. Can't wait to hear it. Hold on a second. Holy shit, bro. Nothing. No leaks. It's getting a bit of rigid. Oh, check the fitment on that though. Made it. Sorted. God damn, boy, those pops, boy. Hey. Got old mate over here to me. Fuck, bro, you can even just see how fucking shiny it is, like through this, bro. This is insane. This is too much shine for me. Oh, see the sill in the back too, yo. Also, do you reckon you're gonna fucking raise it up a bit, or gonna leave it like that for a while? Yeah, I reckon. Fuck, what do you guys reckon? Just needs to sit in that hole perfectly, eh? Yeah. So you can't see those fucking hangers, and we meant that is what we want. Oh, that sideways plate. Oh, let's trigger some people. Oh. Fuck, it's actually looking so far, boys. New dump. Wastegates on the intercooler pipe. Intake. Crowd on the right. So what happened there? So 2 welds away, and we ran out of gas. Whoa, that's all good days. Bro's coming back in the morning. We're just down here now at the Rototuna shops. It's gonna get us a bit of a munch. We'll give you a bit of a look at old Faz's car, and that it's not raining. So yeah, it's good check it out. Yeah, that's a thumbnail. That's a thumbnail. So tidy, bro. Long day. It's been a long day. It's got the pizzas out here. Check this setup though. Bang. What's that more? Bang! Oh my god. This is a sit-up. This is a sit-up here, boys. We made it, chief. We made it. Thank you for watching the video.